Hello guys, in this video we'll learn about sending emails in Rust. So let's get started. First of all, we'll move to our cargo toml file where we have to add a couple of dependencies. One of them is later with latest version. Another one is later email with the latest version. Once we add both of these dependencies, we just build. So as the dependencies are added, what we'll do first of all is compose our email, set up a mailer, and then just send out the email. So let's go ahead and first of all we will basically compose an email. So we'll say let email message builder, and here we have to add from first. So we'll say dummy.test@gmail.com and parse.unwrap. The second thing we have to add is to who we want to send the email. Make sure that your to and from every information that you provide is correct. So we'll say subscriber@gmail.com .parse.unwrap, and once we have this, we'll add our subject. So let's say the subject that I want to add here is test email from Rust. Once we add that, we'll add the body. So here I'll just say string from, and in the body we'll just add this is a test email, please don't reply. And once we add that, we'll just do the unwrap. So as you can see, we have our message ready. Now we have to set up a mailer to send out our email. So what we have to do is let credentials new, and here we have to add correct credentials of the SMTP mailer that we want to use. So I want to use the same as this one for my account, and then here you have to provide, actually let's wrap it in a string. So we just wrapped it, and here what we have to do is provide the password. Now this password is basically not your account password which you use for login. It's an app password which you have to generate from your account settings. So add your app password here. Now how can you generate is, it's a basic two-step process which I can just write here in the comment and you can just follow. So one you have to do is set up two-step verification for your Gmail account. So you have to first of all set up two-step verification, and the second thing that you have to do is just go on this link, myaccount.google.com/app passwords. So you have to just go here, first set up the two-step verification, and then just go here directly, because if you follow any documentation or tutorial from YouTube, all the tutorials are old, and Gmail has just revamped the UI. So in the new UI you cannot easily find the app passwords. So just directly go here and you can just set up your app passwords. So once you do that, let's quickly use it and send out our email. So we'll just say let mailer and SMTP transport relay. So I'll be using Gmail, but if you are using Office or any other, then make sure to use the correct SMTP. You can just Google what's the SMTP URL for a particular mailbox file. I'll use for the Gmail, which is this one, and we'll use unwrap.credentials. Here you have to pass your creds and build it. So once we have this, we'll just go ahead and check the result. So we'll say match mailer.send, and we'll pass the email message that we want to send out. Okay, so if it's an okay response, we'll just print email sent successfully, and if it's an error, then we'll just print could not send email, and here we will just quickly pass the error. So this is all guys that you need. Make sure you generate correct app password, which is just this two-step process, and everything else you guys know. So let's go ahead and test our application. So just open your terminal, and here just quickly do cargo run. As you can see, it prints email sent successfully. So you can just go ahead, check your mailbox, and you should find your email if you correctly configured your to and from everything. So it's pretty straightforward as I explained you guys, and if you have any problems, just feel free to leave in the comments. I'll be very happy to answer and help you guys out. So just share with your friends, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.